Hi guys! This week we are going to read passage 408. It is called The Moon. Is it really made of green cheese? There are many funny stories about the moon. Long ago, people thought it was made of green cheese. They thought that because the craters on the moon's surface looked like holes found in certain cheeses. But what are the facts about the moon? The moon is our closest neighbor. It does have tall mountains, wide flat places, and deep craters, just like Earth. But the moon has no atmosphere. It has no water. It also has no living things. It does have a crust like the Earth, though. It also is very hot and is probably molten deep inside. The moon has gravity like Earth. However, Earth's gravity pull is 6 times greater than the moon's. No wonder astronauts on the moon can leap as if they were the greatest jumpers ever seen. The moon experiences large temperature changes. During daytime, its temperatures rise above 100, and at night they go below negative 100 degrees. The temperature changes cause the moon's crust and rocks to crack and break apart. Since there is no wind, the pieces of rock have changed over time to a fine dust. This fine dust covers most of the moon's surface. The craters or holes on the moon's surface are thought to have been made by meteorites that crashed into it early in its history. Some of the craters are very large, and others are quite small. Astronauts have brought back rocks from the moon that were much older than the rocks here on Earth. We still have much to learn about the moon, but at least we know it's not made of green cheese.